Hey, welcome to setting up your digital escape the room folders in Google Drive. I'm going to show you how to quickly set up the skeleton of your Google Drive, and we'll add some resources along the way. So I'm going to get out of this presentation. I'm going to go into my Google Drive. Once you're there, you're going to click New, and you will click New Folder. From there, you will label it whatever your topic is going to be and put DETR at the end. So down here I have already done this. I've created the Odyssey DETR, and once you have your main folder or your parent folder done, you're going to open it up and you're going to do the same thing for each of the subfolders. Click New, click Folder, label them Clue 1, Clue 2, Clue 3, Clue 4, and do one for Resources. Once you've done that, you pretty much have the skeleton of organization as far as clues and resources go. And we will add a couple of documents to the resource folder along the way. And you will start dumping your resources and anything that you make into each one of the clue folders as it pertains to that clue. Hopefully this cleared some of that up, and then we'll be able to make this a smooth transition into the creation of the clues, as well as the creation of your new Google site.